Hello guys! Today I am going to show you a golden opportunity. With this, you can earn thousands of dollars every month. And the best part is, you can do this work on Canva in just 2 to 5 minutes. No need to learn Photoshop, no need for any expensive software. Just use Canva, create a gig on Fiverr, and start earning money. Now, I will show you how people are earning in dollars so easily. They are making thousands of dollars every month. All you need to do is create a gig on Fiverr and your earnings begin. But how will you do it? There are just 3 to 4 steps, so please watch the video till the end and you will understand how easy this work is. Removing image backgrounds or objects from an image is a service with high demand on Fiverr. If a client wants to remove the background from an image or delete something from the photo, they place an order on Fiverr. You might be thinking this is difficult work. No, my friend, it is not hard at all. It only takes 2 to 3 steps. This work is done with just a few clicks. Just upload the picture and use the tools I'll show you in Canva. Your work will be done in 2 to 3 minutes. Nowadays, every business, influencer, shopkeeper, or e-commerce seller needs good visuals. People want to make their product images, wedding photos, modeling pictures, or portfolios more attractive. That means removing backgrounds, adding new backgrounds, or deleting unwanted things from the picture. Now I'll show you a live example of how much people earn from just these 2 or 3 tasks. All 3 of these services are in high demand on Fiverr. Orders for such simple services range from $5 to $50. If you create your gig properly, you can earn thousands of dollars a month, or even more. I will now show you live how people are earning, and it's very easy. You've made it this far, might as well subscribe, right? So I've opened Fiverr.com. Here, see this? Photo background removal. They're charging $5 per image. This is also a background removal service. Let me show you. It says, I will remove background from images with expert Photoshop editing. They write Photoshop, but nowadays people don't even use Photoshop. Canva has many tools that do the same work. The work that takes an hour in Photoshop can be done in 5 minutes here. Look. This seller is level 1 and has many reviews. I will also teach you how to make such a gig in the next video. Here are some of the images. This one background has been removed. This one's background image is changed. Canva makes these all tasks very easy. Now look these object removal service I mentioned before. Here, they have removed some cloth from the image. Here's another example where someone edits bulk product images. I will also show you how easy that is in the next video. You can even create your gig using ChatGPT. I'll show you how. Here's another seller. I will remove objects or add objects and edit photos using Photoshop. Look how many reviews he has. Level 1 seller. For example, this is an object removal gig. He removed a female from one image and combined her with another. It's very easy. All of this can be done in Canva. Look, he currently has 5 orders in queue. He's doing background removal for $5 per image. So if you get a task to remove the background from 10 images, that's an easy $50 in just 30 minutes. Now let's open Canva and I'll show you how easily it's done. Let's open the Canva and upload our picture or if you've not already uploaded. Let me show you step by step how it works. First we will click on our picture. It will bring it to our projects page. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now increase the size to fit on the page. Then click on Edit here in the Magic Studio. Click on Magic Grab. Now it will extract all the objects we have in the image. Now click on any object you want to remove. For example, we'll remove all the kids from the photo and leave only one. Now select it one by one, like this. And click on Delete icon. As you can see, it's done so easily. And look at the background. Where the objects were removed, it automatically adjusts and fills in those areas with the same background texture, making it look seamless and natural. And people are making thousands of dollars just doing this, removing objects from an image. Now just download the picture. Your work is done. It only takes a minute. Now let's try another image. We selected a second image and set it as the background. Go to Edit. Click on Select Area. Now click on the object you want to remove. For example, we select this object to remove. Click Delete. And it's gone. Now download this clean picture. There's no flaw in it, and the background fills with same texture. Now let's try another tool, the same one we discussed earlier that people are making tons of money with on Fiverr. Let's bring this image onto our project page, and I'll show you how to easily delete or change the background. Background removal gigs are blowing up on Fiverr. Easy work, real money. We set this image as a background image. select Edit, and then this BG generator. Click on this. Here you can give a command for the type of background you want. For example, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a prompt. I already wrote a prompt using ChatGPT, so now let's apply it. Copy the prompt and we'll paste it here to describe a new background. Now click on Generate. It will create 4 different background visuals for you. The background is now generated based on our command. 4 different styles of background have been generated. If you don't like them, reset it. Ask ChatGPT to write another prompt. Let's try another one. Write a prompt for creating a skyscraper in the background. Copy it and paste it again in Canva. Click Generate. And now the skyscraper background is created. If the image looks too big for the background, come back to Magic Grab. Click the image. Make sure Select Object to Grab is selected. Click on Grab. The object is now separated from the background. Now we'll resize it. Make it a bit smaller. It automatically fills in the area with matching background. No error, it's perfectly done. And now it looks great. Now download your image and send to your customer. So friends, you have seen how easily these tools complete our work. In Photoshop, the same task takes a lot of time and practice. But here, the tool does it for us. Now, all these are Pro tools. If you don't have the Pro version, you can get a 1-month free trial. Try it for a month. If it works for you, then continue with it. This is a very easy method, and people are earning thousands of dollars from it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Until the next video.